Next, we're going to change the engine camshaft position sensor O-rings. This is actually what's creating the leak. It's a pain in the behind to do that. And once I start taking them, we'll show you. Let's get to it. All right, this is one of the camshaft sensors right here. It just went down. Right here, folks. What another nightmare to take this sucker out. There he goes. And guess what? It came out without the gasket or the O-ring. I don't know if the O-ring is in there or not. I'm gonna check now. I hope it didn't fall in there. If it did, I'm in trouble. I just got out the exhaust camshaft sensors. What a job that was. I'm telling you, there's very little space to work. And the reason why I took them out is because the O-ring, you can see it's a little cracked. The O-ring was allowing oil to come out, and that was creating the leak that I was having. But this was a job and a half. So I bought new O-rings. I already took the lower exhaust camshafter, the upper camshafter. Now just gonna put a new O-ring and put them back together. I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show you where they were and the difficulties in getting out. So if you take it out, I mean, they really don't go bad, but you can either buy new ones or change the O-rings, and I'm just gonna change the O-rings. I mean, since last time I put them in, I think it was 2,000-3,000 miles, and it started leaking. I think I put the wrong O-rings in it. Upper camshaft on the exhaust side, and then lower camshaft right here. And I already took them out, obviously. That's the hole there for the lower, and that's the hole there right here for the upper. All right, the first thing you had to do and I find it easier, plug in the camshaft sensor first, right? Here, the clip, this is the lower one. And now, try to position it in the hole. I mean, there's really no space to work on anything around here, to be honest with you. And there you go. Oh, wow, it must be because you're filming, it went easy. Or it looks like it went easy. Right there. I need to push it in. Now that the camshaft is in, I need to bolt it in and repeat the process in the other three, which is different, but yet fun to do. Now, folks, this thing right here, next, this is the biggest pain in the behind. And you'll see once I get to it how much stuff I had to take out of the car to get this replaced. This is the EVAP Purge valve, which is giving me an error in the car right now, and it's actually smelling and stinking. So I gotta replace this. Let's get to it. EVAP Purge valve. It's in the middle of the engine, all the way down there, about 6 inches, 7 inches, all the way down there on top of the engine. And in order to replace this little part, I'm gonna have to take all of this apart. I mean, literally all of it apart. So it's gonna be a project and a half, but I gotta do it, all right? This is my baby, I gotta take care of it. Let's get to it. All right, the EVAP valve. This is what we're gonna replace right now, and this is what made me take all of this apart. It's a crazy process, but let's get to it, all right? All right, so the EVAP valve, after taking everything apart here, it's right there. That's where the EVAP valve is. So I need to take it out of there. I already unplugged it. There's two other hoses that I need to take out, pull it out, and replace it with this one. It looks easier said than done, but let's get to it. This has a hook right in there that goes in here, and it was a pain in the butt to take it out. And the best thing to do is to have a tool such as this one, place it in here and pull it out, and came out easy after I did that. After 20 minutes in playing around with it. See, here we go. See, right here. See, you just pull it out like that. Next thing to do is to unplug a hose that goes in here. And if you want to see it, you got to push this plastic clamp. It's right here, the hose. You got to push this plastic clamp, push it in, and try to pull it out. So I'm going to try to do that now. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but what a pain in the behind this was. I tell you what, you have basically no room there to take the hose from here, the hose from here, and unplug this from, what do you call it, the hinge? What do you call that? From the bracket. Unhinge it from the bracket and then take these two hoses. What a pain in the butt is. If you have these tools, it will make your life easier. And the reason why is because I use this tool to push the hoses out and also to pull it out. So this helps. You actually need to invest in one of these if you want to take this sucker out, all right? Typically it takes about an hour and a half to take this out. Actually, I took it out. I was cursing like you wouldn't believe. It's all out. Actually, I took it out, what, in 10, 15 minutes? But it's not easy, all right? Doable, not easy. All right, folks, so now we're gonna put the new part in, and this was hard to take the little hose, which is about 2 inches long, and there's no space to move around there. So in order to put it back in, I'm gonna use silicone paste, waterproof, that doesn't damage the hose, so I can slide it in, and hopefully that helps me sliding it in. So I'm gonna go and try it now. This is the hose right here. See the hose? There is no space. There's literally no space, man.
Yeah, no space to record it either. I guess I'm done.
Can I have the part? Please.
You want this part?
Yeah, please. I got the hose in using spark plug pliers. This is a spark plug plier. I used it to hold the hose and press it in, and it's right there. It's in. Now the second challenge is going to be hooking this one in right here, and the third challenge is going to be hooking into the clamp. All right, folks, I got one of the hoses in, and if you look in here, this is the hose that was giving me a lot of trouble right here. So that hose is in, folks, right there. This hose, what a nightmare that is. The second thing to do is not to to hook the second hose right there in here, which is, where is it? It's right here. See it? Yep, this hose now needs to be hooked, and then the last thing, hook it to the clamp. But what a nightmare. There's really no space here to work. And look at my hands. Look at my hands. I have no space to work in there. All right, let's get to it. All right, folks, the EVAP Purge valve. What a nightmare of a project. It's already in. All one out, new one in. Maybe you can focus over here and show them the new EVAP valve right there. It's all in, folks. What a nightmare that was. Done.